Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I have tons of cleaning motivation coming your way. We are going to be doing some deep cleaning and some everyday cleaning, so I hope you are ready for that. We are going to go ahead and just jump right in.
I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess. No more you.
So I always start off my cleaning by making a to-do list. Sometimes I do it the night before, sometimes I do it the day of. I typically like to start my cleaning off early in the morning just so I can get done as quick as possible and I have the rest of the day to myself or to do other things that I need to get done.
Can I believe you when everything is see-through? Everything is see-through. No more, no more. Everything is see-through. No more, no more. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it when everything is see-through? You see through. Gotta make space for the new you, like I'm old news in your rearview mirror. It must be nice you went and got a penthouse, all your friends partying is real loud. Brand new money with a brand new chest, still a baby bird right straight out the nest like you.
So I didn't want to go get any other cleaning products, so I was just trying to see if the Method all-purpose cleaner would clean my mirror good enough, but it had a lot of fingerprints on it. It did not do the job. I went ahead and grabbed my glass cleaner or window cleaner e-cloths, and those are amazing.
How can I believe you when everything is see-through? No more, no more. Everything is see-through.
So I did pick up this product from the Dollar Tree a few months back. I just use it once in a while. You guys know I pretty much keep up with shampooing my carpets at least every other month. And then I like to use this once in a while just to kind of freshen up the carpets. I do have a lab and he sheds, and you know how it is with pets. So I went ahead and just threw some down, and you let it sit there for 30 minutes and then you just come back and vacuum it up.
Don't let go. Oh, you said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you when everything is see-through?
How can I believe
Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it?
So now we're downstairs and we're gonna do some cleaning in the living room because we had tons of toys all over. Before we continue downstairs, I do have to mention that today's video is sponsored by GlassesUSA.com. By cutting out the middleman, GlassesUSA.com offers over 10,000 prescription glasses and sunglasses, including house brands like Muse and Amelia E, and designer brands like Ray-Ban, Oakley, Gucci, and many more at up to 70% 20% off retail price. So they also offer a amazing risk-free shopping experience. So they offer free shipping and returns and 100% money back guarantee within 14 days. I actually ordered a different pair of glasses. They were super cute on the model, but they just didn't look right on me. And I was able to easily return them and get the new pair right away. So you don't have to worry about that. They do work with you and it is a super easy process. So it's also nice if you are feeling overwhelmed by the amount of choices. They even have a quiz that you can take, which only takes about a minute, and it suggests the right pair of glasses based on your face shape and your needs. So I definitely used that because I was having a hard time figuring out what glasses would look best on me. I love that they also offer blue light blocking glasses. It's a collection of advanced blue light blocking lenses. The blue light glasses are ideal for protecting your eyes at home, work, or outdoors, as they also include glare prevention and UV block. You can also get contact lenses there. You get 25% off all of the contact lens brands like Vista Plus, AccuView, Biofinity, and many more. I also wanted to go ahead and show you that they offer this virtual try-on tool, so you can just upload a photo and try on all the glasses on your face, which is another tool that I really enjoyed using. So make sure you check out glassesusa.com. I will make sure to have their link down below in the description.
You interrupt me and I interrupt you. A shame. When did we start losing and stop giving? I remember I gave it time. I love my time. Now my mind's lost in its thoughts. I want you want only you. But my heart's all tied up in knots. Wanna release it. Wanna release it. Wanna release it.
So we have a new member of the family, and this is Hammy. Ava got her for her birthday. She's actually been waiting to get a hamster for a couple of years, and we kept telling her when she turns 7 years old, then she will be old enough to have one, and we'd feel that she would be responsible enough to take care of it. We had hamsters growing up when we were kids, so it kind of brings back all of those memories and feels. Let me know if you ever had a hamster when you were a kid, or what is a childhood pet that you had.
Do you remember when we carefully picked our words? So humble. Now it's like we don't care about what's coming out of our mouths.
Now that we're done cleaning the living room, I wanted to go ahead and deep clean my oven. If you've been watching some of my Sunday reset videos, I've mentioned that I really needed to deep clean in here because there was a lot of burned food at the bottom of my oven. So that's what we're doing today, and I'm really excited to get this done. So I'm going in using the pink stuff today, and this is their cream. So I've only used the cream, I think, in the sink a couple of times. I have not used it for deeper cleaning. I wanted to see if it was as good as their paste, but I also brought the paste just in case it doesn't work. So we're giving that cream a try to see if it'll do the job. I didn't have a lot of faith in it just because I don't feel like it was abrasive enough, but we wanted to give it a try anyway, so stay tuned to see how that works.
So we jumped, falling fast, said till we die, I'm gonna be there with you. So we jumped, side by side, unafraid of what we can. Wanna release it, wanna release it, wanna release it, wanna release it. We were crazy in love, careless and young, but I wouldn't change it. You had me right from the start, you gave me your all, but something changed, yeah. And I know I sometimes drive you crazy, but I need you. Yeah, I know drive you crazy. And I think that's why you've been building up this wall now. And I don't really know how I'm supposed to break it down. I tried peeking through the cracks, saw the light but couldn't catch it. Now the one is breaking.
Okay, so we're done using the cream. You can see there were some burn marks left behind, and then also the door just was not clean enough for me. I previously used the paste in other videos. You guys have seen me use it in this oven, and it did such a good job. So I was like, no. I know that these products will come through, but I just don't think the cream is the one to use in your oven. So we're back to the paste, and I'm putting it on there. We're gonna give it a good scrub down and see if we can get the rest of that up.
So out of control, high up above, can get you down, no. And I know, I sometimes drive you crazy.
So I had a couple of difficult spots that I needed to go in with the blade, and that's okay. That's why we have this Weeman blade, so we can get up those burn marks that are just giving us trouble. So I use that and everything looks clean. I am so happy with the end result. I love a clean oven.
Saw the light but couldn't catch it. Now the one is breaking down. You should let me love you. You're making it so hard to. You've been building up this wall now, and I don't really know how I'm supposed to break it down. I know, baby, I know I drive you crazy, but don't pull away from me. I know, baby, I know I drive you crazy, but don't pull away from me.
So it is not too bad back here, which I'm super happy about. I had recently cleaned behind the oven within the past 6 months, I want to say. So I feel good that it's not that bad, but I still want to take the vacuum in there, clean it up. I want to wipe down the walls. Even though you don't see all the buildup and grime, there's some type of buildup just because you are always cooking in this area. So I wanted to wipe everything down, and I feel like keeping up with areas like this more times out of the year is just going to make the job a lot faster and easier when you do need to clean it.
Baby, I know I drive you crazy, but don't pull away from me. I've been on my spaceship counting stars since '94, waiting for someone to come and knock on my door, looking for someone who'd be the Venus to my Mars. Why does love always have to be this hard? Got me feeling like for someone who can really turn me on. When I met you, now I'm down to earth, that's salt and clear next to you. All my problems disappear, waiting for you. In light years, I met you, I met you. I've been in my spaceship counting sheep to fall asleep, dreaming about the day that someone would rescue me, looking for someone who'd be the moon to my stars. Why does love always have to be this hard? It's got me feeling like looking for someone who can really turn me on. When I met you, now I'm down to earth, that's salt and clear next to you. All my problems disappear, waiting for you. In light years, I met you, I met.
So there was tons of crumbs all over the floor, so I went ahead and vacuumed now, and then in a little bit I go ahead and mop. So my oldest went ahead and helped me move the refrigerator. It was a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be. I thought I was going to be able to do this by myself, but I needed his help. And as you can see, there is tons of dust and buildup back there. I have never done this in the 5 years that we've lived in this house, so I'm glad I am getting back there and cleaning it up. Let me know, when was the last time you cleaned behind your refrigerator?
I was the girl all alone in the corner, drinking by yourself on a Saturday night. You were the guy with your friends at the doorway, pretending that you had the time of your life. Had we met before, instant chemistry, I was so glad you came. Had we met before, laughing instantly, but it didn't feel like thunder or lightning, but something struck me when I was looking.
All right, you guys, we're going to go ahead and end the video here. I appreciate you guys taking the time and watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Also, don't forget to check out glassesusa.com. I will have their link down below in the description box. And don't forget, I have a new Sunday reset video coming out this Sunday. I will see all of you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.